This week I'm testing the hybrid RAV4 Cruiser. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Toyota RAV4 there are ISOFIX in the two outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages across all three seat backs and they're easily accessible through the boot. Now I could easily fit 3 child seats across the back here. They fitted really nicely, and a 180cm driver could sit in front of a rear-facing child seat. Storage in the back of the RAV4 is quite minimal. There's a single mat pocket on the back of the front passenger seat that will hold and conceal an iPad. There is a fold down with 2 cup holders in the central seat back. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and there are door bins that will hold a large refillable water bottle. Storage in the front of the RAV4 is good. There's 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. Behind them, the central console box is a nice size and it's got a little shelf in the top. There's a cordless phone charging well in front of the gear lever with USB and 12-volt socket there too. There's a glasses case in the ceiling, and the glove box is a good size in here. I could fit my wallet in there but not my iPad with the manual. And there's a little shelf in the dash above that, which is good for storage too. The door bins are a good size in here. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's a little shelf for the driver's right knee. The boot door of the RAV4 opens and closes automatically, and with that beep when it opens as well as when it shuts. Now one side of the boot floor does have this nice plastic coating, which means you can put your dogs in there or your children's wet stuff and it's not going to ruin the boot floor. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 15 shopping bags, or a twin stroller and 5 shopping bags, a tandem stroller and 6 shopping bags, single stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 11 shopping bags, or a large dog. The RAV4 Hybrid is a lovely, smooth and quiet car to drive. That hybrid engine is really economical, and I can drive my kids to sleep without chewing through the fuel. You can also watch the hybrid engine on the screen, which is a really nice feature. Now the opposite to that is the RAV4 does have a lot of beepy instructions. So it tells you if you're not obeying the road traffic rules, and also every time you go in and out of a school zone and things like that. Now, I have found it a bit bossy this week, I'll be honest. However, I have discovered you can turn all that off in the media screen, which is really good. The media system in the new RAV4 is still very basic in its look and style. It does still have a great screen here where you can watch the hybrid working while driving along. And it now has the addition of CarPlay, which is fantastic. So you can use it to play little kids listen apps and things like that while driving along. When I put it into reverse, the camera image is still pixelated, however you do get the bird's eye view and a couple of other options. Though you can also mute the parking sensors by pressing the OK button on your steering wheel. In the RAV4 there's also a button down by your right knee that allows this 360 exterior camera to work, which is really good. So to sum up with the RAV4 Hybrid, it's a really practical family car. Great space in the back for 3 child seats, legroom is good, boot space is good, and now it's got CarPlay in the media system, and that hybrid engine is very economical.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.